Assalomu alaykum aziz do'stlar. Navbatdagi 44-darsimizga xush kelibsiz. Tayyor bo'lsangiz, darsimizni boshladik. Davom etamiz. Tarjima qilamiz. Mening uyim bor. Ya'ni menda bor. I have uy a house. Mening uyim bor. I have a house. Men buni bilishim kerak. Ya'ni menga kerak. I need bilish to know buni it. Men buni bilishim kerak. I need to know it. Savol: sen hozir nima qilishni xohlaysan? Nima? What? Sen do you xohlaysan? Want qilishni. To do hozir. Now. Sen hozir nima qilishni xohlaysan? What do you want to do now? Menga bu narsalar kerak. Menga kerak. I need bu narsalar. These things. Menga bu narsalar kerak. I need these things. Men ingliz tilida ravon va to'g'ri gapirishni xohlayman. Men xohlayman. I want gapirishni ingliz tilida. To speak English ravon. Fluently va and to'g'ri. Correctly. Men ingliz tilida ravon va to'g'ri gapirishni xohlayman. I want to speak English fluently and correctly. Men sizni tushunaman. Men tushunaman. I understand sizni. You. Men sizni tushunaman. I understand you. Men ba'zida u yerga boraman. Men ba'zida. I sometimes boraman u yerga. Go there. Men ba'zida u yerga boraman. I sometimes go there. Biz yanada tez-tez sayohat qilishni xohlaymiz. Biz xohlaymiz. We want sayohat qilishni. To travel yanada tez-tez. Bu jumla more often. Biz yanada tez-tez sayohat qilishni xohlaymiz. We want to travel more often. Men o'qituvchimni tushunaman. Men tushunaman. I understand o'qituvchimni. My teacher. Men o'qituvchimni tushunaman. I understand my teacher. Ularga futbol yoqadi. Ularga yoqadi. They like football. Football. Ularga futbol yoqadi. They like football. So'zlarni qaytaramiz. I have a house. I need to know it. What do you want to do now? I need these things. I want to speak English fluently and correctly. I understand you. I sometimes go there. We want to travel more often. I understand my teacher. They like football. Davom etamiz. Tarjima qilamiz. Men bu shaharda yashayman. Men yashayman. I live bu shaharda. In this city. Men bu shaharda yashayman. I live in this city. Menga bu joy yoqadi. Menga yoqadi. I like bu joy. This place. Menga bu joy yoqadi. I like this place. Mening itim yo'q. Ya'ni menda yo'q. I don't have it a dog. Mening itim yo'q. I don't have a dog. Savol: nega bu shunday qiziqarli tuyuladi? Nega? Why bu does it tuyuladi? Seem shunday qiziqarli. So interesting. Nega bu shunday qiziqarli tuyuladi? Why does it seem so interesting? Savol: o'g'il bolaga nisbatan u nima qilishni xohlaydi? Nima? What u does he xohlaydi? Want qilishni. To do. U nima qilishni xohlaydi? What does he want to do? Qiz bolaga nisbatan u o'zining akasini yaxshi ko'radi. U yaxshi ko'radi, ya'ni u sevadi. She loves o'zining akasini. Her brother. U o'zining akasini yaxshi ko'radi. She loves her brother. Men o'qishni xohlayman. Men xohlayman. I want o'qishni. To study. Men o'qishni xohlayman. I want to study. O'g'il bolaga nisbatan u buni boshqarmaydi. U he boshqarmaydi. Doesn't control buni it. U buni boshqarmaydi. He doesn't control it. Men odatda buni ertalab bajaraman. Men odatda I usually bajaraman buni. Do it ertalab in the morning. Men odatda buni ertalab bajaraman. I usually do it in the morning. Savol: sizga bu kanal yoqadimi? Sizga yoqadimi? Do you like bu kanal? This channel. Sizga bu kanal yoqadimi? Do you like this channel? So'zlarni qaytaramiz. I live in this city. I like this place. I don't have a dog. Why does it seem so interesting? What does he want to do? She loves her brother. I want to study. He doesn't control it. I usually do it in the morning. Do you like this channel? Davom etamiz. Tarjima qilamiz. Ba'zida men buni bajaraman. Ba'zida. Sometimes men I bajaraman buni. Do it. Ba'zida men buni bajaraman. Sometimes I do it. Men buni tarjima qilishni xohlayman. Men xohlayman. I want tarjima qilishni. To translate buni it. Men buni tarjima qilishni xohlayman. I want to translate it. Men bu matnni tarjima qilishni xohlayman. Men xohlayman. I want tarjima qilishni. To translate bu matnni. This text. Men bu matnni tarjima qilishni xohlayman. I want to translate this text. Menda bitta chipta bor. Menda bor. I have bitta chipta. One ticket. Menda bitta chipta bor. I have one ticket. Men bu mashinani sotib olishni xohlayman. Men xohlayman. I want sotib olishni. To buy bu mashinani. This car. Men bu mashinani sotib olishni xohlayman. I want to buy this car. Bu shunday samarali tuyuladi. Bu tuyuladi. It seems shunday samarali. So effective. Bu shunday samarali tuyuladi. It seems so effective. Savol: sen menga hozir nima deyishni xohlaysan? Nima? What? Sen do you xohlaysan? Want deyishni menga. to tell me hozir now. Sen menga hozir nima deyishni xohlaysan? What do you want to tell me now? Bizga kvartiramiz yoqadi. Bizga yoqadi. We like kvartiramiz. Kvartira so'zi uchun sukut tarzida apartment dan foydalanamiz. Bizning kvartira our apartment. Bizga kvartiramiz yoqadi. We like our apartment. Ularga bu narsalar yoqmaydi. Ularga yoqmaydi. They don't like bu narsalar. These things. Ularga bu narsalar yoqmaydi. They don't like these things. Men tez-tez o'g'il bolaga nisbatan uning ota-onasini u yerda ko'raman. Men tez-tez I often ko'raman see uning his ota-onasini parents u yerda there. Men tez-tez uning ota-onasini u yerda ko'raman. I often see his parents there. So'zlarni qaytaramiz. Sometimes I did. I want to translate it. I want to translate this text. I have one ticket. I want to buy this car. It seems so effective. What do you want to tell me now? We like our apartment. They don't like these things. I often see his parents there. Davom etamiz. Tarjima qilamiz. Men ba'zida o'g'il bolaga nisbatan undan ba'zi xabarlarni olaman. Men ba'zida I sometimes olaman get ba'zi xabarlarni some messages undan from him. Men ba'zida undan ba'zi xabarlarni olaman. I sometimes get some messages from him. Men shunday o'ylamayman. Men I o'ylamayman. Don't think shunday so. Men shunday o'ylamayman. I don't think so. Savol. Sen qayerda o'qiysan? Qayerda? Where? Sen. Do. You. O'qiysan? Study. Sen qayerda o'qiysan? Where do you study? Savol. Qiz bolaga nisbatan unga bu yerda nima yoqadi? Nima? What? Unga yoqadi. Does she like? Bu yerda here. Unga bu yerda nima yoqadi? What does she like here? Men bu mamlakatga tashrif buyurishni xohlayman. Men xohlayman. I want tashrif buyurishni to visit bu mamlakatga this country. Men bu mamlakatga tashrif buyurishni xohlayman. I want to visit this country. Men o'g'il bolaga nisbatan uni ko'ryapman. Men ko'ryapman. I see uni. Him. Men uni ko'ryapman. I see him. Biz u yerda ishlaymiz. Biz ishlaymiz. We work u yerda there. Biz u yerda ishlaymiz. We work there. Savol: siz nima bilasiz? Nima? What? Siz do you bilasiz? Know. Siz nima bilasiz? What do you know? Savol: sen qancha chet tillarda gaplashasan? Qancha? How many chet tillarda? Foreign languages. Sen do you gaplashasan? Speak. Sen qancha chet tillarda gaplashasan? How many foreign languages do you speak? Joy ajratamiz. Navbatdagi misolimizga. Davom etamiz. Men ingliz tilida xatolarsiz gapirishni xohlayman. Men xohlayman. I want gapirishni ingliz tilida to speak English xatolarsiz without mistakes. Men ingliz tilida xatolarsiz gapirishni xohlayman. I want to speak English without mistakes. So'zlarni qaytaramiz. I sometimes get some messages from him. I don't think so. Where do you study? What does she like here? I want to visit this country. I see him. We work there. What do you know? How many foreign languages do you speak? I want to speak English without mistakes. Aziz do'stlar, navbatdagi 44-darsimiz o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Barchangizga rahmat. Keyingi darslarda ko'rishguncha xayr.